In this video I will show you how to copy my Instagram URL profile link. But before you start with this video, remember that if it works for you, you can leave me a like and subscribe. Now yes, let's start with the video. The first thing we will do is get on Instagram. We will select our profile photo, and once we are in our profile we will select edit profile. Once this section is loaded, we will select a username. We will leave our username pressed, and then we will copy it. Now we'll get out of Instagram and go to Google. We open the search engine and paste our name. Finally, we will add a bar next to the Instagram.com bar. Then we will proceed to look for it, and as you can quickly see, Google throws me a link with my profile. We will leave the link selected, then we will copy it, and that's it. We would already have our link to our Instagram profile. Now we can share this link with all our friends or on our social networks so that more people can follow us. If this video works for you, remember to leave me a like, and above all subscribe. My name is Anxiety7U7X Tutorials, and see you until the next video.